Hi guys, just a quick video on how to remove a drop link that is seized in place. So normally what you would do is put your Allen key in recess, use your spanner, and then with holding the bolt in place you undo the nut with your spanner. But 9 times out of 10 when you come to do this job, the Allen key recess will be so badly corroded that when you put your Allen key in and try and undo the bolt, it will just spin and will strip out the inside. So I've got a quick and easy way of doing this that doesn't involve cutting off with an angle grinder or using any heat or a nut splitter. And my easy way is take a set of vice grips and you pop it on the back like so, and then just pop the ball joint out the back of the drop link like so. And I've already done the bottom mount here for the shock, so you just spin the drop link round down. Okay, now with the drop link kind of free from the top and the bottom mount away from the shock, just take the drop link and then just pull it and it should just pop right off like so. So we can just get rid of that. Okay, and what you're left with is a little bit of rubber just covering the ball joint there. Just remove that. Take your mole grips again, adjust the size, pop it over the ball joint at the back, pull it nice and tight, take a ratchet, and then holding the vice grips, you should be able to undo it like so. And for the bottom it's the same again, get more grips in, grab the ball joint at the back, clamp down on it. Then you just pop it out. Hey presto, there you go. Easy as that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, I'll catch you next time.